What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. We only have one story today, but it gives and lends additional confirmation to the Galaxy S11 line of phones. And this tweet comes from Ice Universe. The tweet says, expect a superb, smooth experience at 120 hertz best display. He's talking about the Galaxy S11 line of phones. And again, what it's gonna mean is right now your Galaxy S10, Note 10, whatever Galaxy phone you have, it has a 60 hertz display, meaning how fast it refreshes on the display. It's gonna be double that, meaning when you're scrolling, doing whatever you're doing, you know, Instagram or whatever, it's gonna be super, super smooth. You obviously might not be able to tell the difference right now because I'm shooting in 60 frames per second. This can go 90 because this is the Pixel 4 XL. It's gonna be even faster than this and smoother than this. And obviously you're looking at even a phone that's gonna be better spec than any phone that's out right now because of the fact it's gonna have a Snapdragon 865 or the newest Exynos processor. It's gonna have at least 12 gigabytes of RAM, maybe more, but I doubt that. The storage read-write speeds are gonna be 3.0. It's just gonna be an epic, highly spec'd out, amazing phone, big time cameras on the back. And when I mean big, I don't mean just, you know, big like it takes up a lot of space and that it sticks out. I mean, these cameras should be dope. They should be better than any other camera they ever released, which is a given, but also 108 megapixels up to that. There's all kinds of crazy things about this phone. This phone definitely looks like, again, the phone to beat, and it could be even more of a leg up than their previous generation of phones, and I'm very excited for this phone. What do you guys think? 120 hertz display, ultra smooth. Is it getting you? Is it getting you? Is it getting you? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, new videos every single day, and I will see you guys down the road. Peace!